Do this every morning for 7 days. The results will shock you. Imagine waking up every morning feeling more energized, focused, and ready to tackle the day than you ever have before. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that by doing just one simple thing every single morning for the next 7 days, you could unlock results so shocking, they might just change the way you approach your health and well-being forever? Welcome to today's video, where we're going to explore the power of a daily morning habit that will leave you astonished by the incredible benefits it can offer. You see, many people underestimate the power of small, consistent actions. But in reality, it's those tiny, everyday choices that compound over time and create massive shifts in our lives. So, what if I told you that just 7 days of this simple habit could have a profound impact on your body, mind, and overall lifestyle? You won't believe the results that can come from dedicating just a few minutes every morning to this habit. Stay tuned as we dive into this life-changing routine. Hydrate first thing. Let's start with one of the most basic yet often overlooked habits: drinking water as soon as you wake up. You've probably heard it 100 times, but there's a reason it's such a powerful and transformative action. After hours of sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated. In fact, you could wake up with up to 5% less water in your body, and this dehydration can leave you feeling sluggish, tired, and unfocused. Hydrating immediately after you wake up replenishes those lost fluids and kickstarts your metabolism for the day. Imagine your body as a car engine that's been idling all night. When you hydrate, you're essentially turning that engine on and giving it the fuel it needs to run smoothly. But let's get real for a second. How many of us hit snooze, get up groggy, and pour ourselves a cup of coffee as the first thing we do? While coffee may give you that initial jolt, it's not the same as water. In fact, coffee can dehydrate you even more. A glass of water upon waking helps with digestion, supports healthy skin, and flushes out toxins. It's truly a game changer for energy and focus. And here's a pro tip. Try adding a pinch of sea salt to your morning water. This helps your body absorb and retain the hydration even better. Seriously, if you make this a habit for 7 days, you will be shocked at how much better you feel overall. Stretching or light yoga. Stretching or doing light yoga in the morning is another incredible habit that can transform the way you feel, both physically and mentally. You've probably heard the term yoga thrown around, but have you ever actually taken a few minutes to stretch your body upon waking up? If you haven't, you're missing out on one of the simplest and most effective ways to wake up your muscles and get the blood flowing. Think about how stiff and tight your body feels after lying in bed all night. Stretching helps release that tension, improves circulation, and gives you an instant boost of energy. Even if you're not a yoga enthusiast, incorporating a few basic stretches like the downward dog or cat-cow stretch can make a world of difference in how you feel throughout the day. And here's something fun. Stretching can help improve your posture, reduce back pain, and even enhance flexibility over time. One common challenge people face with stretching is the "I don't have time for that" excuse. But what if I told you that dedicating just 5 to 10 minutes a day to stretching can completely reset your body for the day ahead? It's a small-time commitment that delivers huge rewards, both mentally and physically. So if you've been skipping out on stretching, make it a priority for just 7 days, and you might find yourself standing taller, feeling more energized and even more relaxed. Deep breathing or meditation. Meditation and deep breathing exercises are often thought of as practices for advanced yogas or spiritual seekers. But what if I told you that just a few minutes of deep breathing every morning could help reduce stress, increase focus, and even improve your mood? Believe it or not, your breath is one of the most powerful tools you have when it comes to controlling your mental state. By simply taking a few deep breaths, you can activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which calms your body and reduces stress. The benefits of deep breathing go beyond just relaxation. It helps improve oxygen flow to your brain, which can boost mental clarity and focus throughout the day. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. I don't have time to sit in silence and meditate. I've got a busy day ahead. Trust me, I get it. But here's the thing. You don't have to sit for 30 minutes in a quiet room to meditate. Even taking 3 to 5 minutes for focused, deep breathing in the morning can completely change your outlook. Imagine how much more productive you'll feel if you start your day in a calm, centered state of mind. Over the course of just 7 days, you'll likely see a noticeable difference in your stress levels, mood, and even your relationships. Eat a nutritious breakfast. You probably heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but not all breakfasts are created equal. If you're grabbing a sugary cereal or a donut on your way out the door, you're setting yourself up for an energy crash. But if you opt for a balanced, nutrient-dense breakfast, you'll feel fuller, more energized, and focused throughout the morning. A good breakfast includes healthy proteins, fats, and complex carbs. Think scrambled eggs with avocado, oatmeal with berries, or a smoothie packed with greens and protein. These types of meals give your body the fuel it needs to perform at its best, and the benefits go beyond just physical health. They can help improve cognitive function and set you up for a productive day. One of the most common mistakes people make is skipping breakfast entirely. If you're in a rush and constantly skipping your morning meal, you might feel more sluggish and unproductive by mid-morning. But it doesn't have to be complicated. Meal prepping your breakfast ahead of time can save you so much time in the long run. A well-balanced breakfast isn't just about avoiding hunger. It's about fueling your body for peak performance. If you commit to making this change for just 7 days, you'll be surprised at how much better your focus and energy levels will be. Get moving. Exercise might sound like a no-brainer when it comes to improving your health, but did you know that even just a short burst of physical activity can have a significant impact on your mood and energy levels? Think of it as hitting the refresh button on your body. Whether it's a brisk walk, a quick jog, or a 10-minute home workout, moving your body in the morning helps release endorphins, which are your body's natural feel-good hormones. It also improves circulation, boosts your metabolism, and increases energy. But let's be real. Some of us would rather hit the snooze button than get up and sweat first thing in the morning. I get it. But here's the thing. If you can push through that initial resistance, you'll feel so much better once you're done. You don't need an hour at the gym. Just a quick burst of activity is enough to get your blood flowing and your body energized. And the best part? Once you establish this routine, it becomes a habit you'll look forward to every morning. Try it for 7 days and see how much better you feel both physically and mentally. As you can see, the morning is an incredibly powerful time to set the tone for your day. And by incorporating just a few of these habits, you'll be amazed by the results you can achieve in just 7 days. Whether it's hydrating, stretching, meditating, eating a nutritious breakfast, or getting some exercise, each of these small habits can add up to big changes in how you feel and perform. So what are you waiting for? Start today. Let me know in the comments below if you tried any of these habits and what your results have been. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more life-changing tips, and share it with someone who could use a little morning boost. I'll see you in the next video with more tips to help you live your best life.